Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to use the Microsoft To Do application on your PC for task management for every day, every month and for every week, so you can manage your task and remember all the tasks that you have to do according to the priority, like important or less important, or to do task, little task, or the big task or big project. All of those you can manage within this only one application. So Microsoft To Do will help you to manage this work, and it will also help you to arrange your day and all the tasks, and it can actually reduce the time consuming issue, or it can actually help you to manage your times in days. Now here you can see I'm on Microsoft To Do. Now first thing you can see that my day here. So let me just explain the dashboard here, each and everything. So from here you can see that first thing here is your account, where you can click on it and you can find a drop down section where you can manage your accounts. You can add multiple accounts if you want. By simply click on it, you can add more accounts. Simply click on add account and it will help you to add more account. Or if you want to sign out from a specific account, then you can simply click on sign out and you will be able to sign out from your account. Now you can find the settings option from here. Here is the settings, that general here, more of them. So you can find here that smart list, where you can add the complete or all. So I prefer you to add the complete task here and the all tasks. To get this completed task will help you to see all the completed tasks that you have made on the list, and all tasks will help you to show all this, like important, planned, completed, assigned to me, all of this in one place. Now auto hide empty smart list, so you can turn it off or on if you don't want any empty list on your dashboard. Then from here you can find all of this. You can connect your Facebook account here, Twitter account or other accounts from here. Now from here, let's just go ahead, and here is the Saints option. You can sync your account with your other Microsoft accounts from here. So you can see once I have added the all and completed, that it will appear at the left side navigation section. Now here is my day. You can find important task, that is start. You can find planned tasks from here, all tasks, all of the tasks that you have added, a simple task to a major task. Then you can find all the completed tasks that you have done on your task board, and here is assigned to me. If someone assigned you with any task, then you can find here, and here is the task. You can find all the tasks from here. Now here is the new list button here, that you can use Ctrl+L, the hotkeys here, the shortcut key you can say. So if you click on Ctrl+L, then it will create a new list, or you can simply click on this plus new list button. And this is for create a new group. You can create a new group from here, just like this. If you click on it, it will create a new group. For example, XYZ or anything, XYZ project. Now hit enter and you can see it has just created the group, where you can drag here to add list. Here you can drag any list here if you want so. Now you can simply click create a new list. So I'm going to create a new list. Simply click on new list and it has added to this project here. So where you can add some lists here. For example, you can add the title of the list. For example, SEO project. And here you can add some title. You can add other persons you can invite your teammate by create an invitation link. Simply click on create link and you can find the link that you can share, or you can invite directly through their email, or this link also help them to get access of your task here. So this is for minimize your task here, so and or keep it on the top, and this three dot button will help you to adjust the theme. So where you can find rename the list, move to list, you can move anywhere, any group you want, and sort by, you can sort it by important, due date, add it to my day, or alphabetical, or creation date here. You can sort it by this. Also you can pin it to start. Here you can find email list, and you can delete the list by simply click on delete. So it will delete entire list from here. Now here is like add a task. So type address to assign it to someone. So for example, if I have something I'm going to add like keyword research, keyword research. And here is you can find three icons. The first one, you can add the date. So for example, today, so or you can pick a day from here, from the calendar here, so just like this. And after adding this, simply click on save, and here you can see tomorrow, and you can add the time here, so later today or tomorrow. You can simply click on it, or you can pick a date and time here, just like this. And here is the time where you can set the time from here, just like this. Simply click on save, and here you can see I have just scheduled it. Now from here you can find the repeat option. This is actually the repeat option, where you can repeat this exact task daily basis, on the days basis, or weekly basis, monthly basis, or yearly basis. So if I go with the weekly, then we can simply click on it, and every week at this day it will repeat the task. Now here you can see, simply click on this circle icon, and it will add it to your this list here. Also, for example, if you want to assign someone, then you have to add the rate and type their name, and it will suggest the name, and you can add them or assign them the task here, like this. And after adding that, you can tell anything like on page SEO, and hit enter. And here you can see it has just added. Simply click on it, and it had also added to or assigned to this person here. You can see it has just showing this icon here. Also, if you want to edit any keyword or any task, you can click on that task, and you can find add step here. You can add more step like on pages, so like article, like content optimization. Then you can add more here, hit enter, and you can add multiple steps from here. Then keyword density, then hit enter, and you can add more of them from here. If you want to delete any of this, simply click on this three dot button, and you can mark this as a complete. For example, I have completed this task here. Simply click on complete, and here you can see it has completed. You can find this two, that means there is two subtasks or two steps that one is completed. Now simply click on the next step, or you can add more here. Then you can add some schedule time, or also you can add some file if you want, so it will help you to add some files from here. So for example, this here, and if you click on it, then you can see it has just added here. Also, you can add some notes or instruction for your teams, that what they need to do, or any additional instruction that you need to tell them through this online. Now you can do is, if you want to add it to the important, if this is your important task, then you can find this start icon here. The star icon will help you to add this to your important. So you can see the important here, and all the tasks here that I have added, and here's the plan that we have just planned. But that means all the scheduled tasks will be added to the plan with the date here. And here is the assigned to me. That means I have earlier in this video I have just added this here, that's actually me. So I have assigned this to me here, that's here, it will appear in this section, assigned to me. So this search box also help you to search for a specific task from here. Now for example, I have just done the second step yet. Then here you can see the both step is done. Now you can add it to my day here, also the my day section. And if one task is completed, you can click on this circle icon. Here you can see completed, and you can see the completed list here, that it will show below of this completed bulleted text here. So you can find here, and you can also find here in the completed section all the complete tasks that he has just completed. So that's how you can just manage your task. So it's up to you how creatively you can add all the tasks from here. And you can also drag a task from one group to another group, just like this. Also, you can right click on them, and you can rename the list here, remove from the group, or you can duplicate the list by simply click on it, and it will be duplicated, and you can place it to another group if you want. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.